How can I find my PUK code?
Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to demystify PUK codes and show you how to retrieve your PUK, personal unblocking key, code. A PUK code is a unique set of digits that your cellular provider uses to unlock your SIM card when it becomes blocked, usually after entering the wrong PIN code multiple times.
What is a PUK code?
A PUK code is an 8-digit code unique to your SIM card. It's important to note that entering the PUK code incorrectly too many times can permanently disable your SIM card. So, it's essential to follow these steps carefully to find your PUK code correctly.
How can I find my PUK code?
There are typically two main ways to retrieve your PUK code: through your mobile device's settings, if applicable, or by contacting your mobile network provider. Method 1. Device settings. Step 1. Go to the phone settings. Step 2. Tap on About Phone or Phone Information. Step 3. Find SIM status or SIM card status. Step 4. The PUK code might be listed here. If not, proceed to Method 2. Please note that this method is not universally applicable, as many devices don't display the PUK code for security reasons. Method 2. Contact your network provider. Step 1. Look for the customer service number of your network provider. It's often listed on the provider's official website. Step 2. Call the customer service number and navigate to the option for SIM card issues. Step 3. Verify your identity. This usually involves answering a few security questions related to your account. Step 4. Once your identity is confirmed, request the customer service representative for the PUK code. Step 5. Carefully note down the PUK code provided.
How to use your PUK code?
Once you've obtained your PUK code, using it is simple. Step 1. Turn on your mobile device. If your SIM card is blocked, a message will typically display asking for the PUK code. Step 2. Carefully enter the PUK code. You usually have around 10 attempts to enter the correct PUK code before your SIM card is permanently blocked. Step 3. Once the PUK code is accepted, you'll be prompted to set a new PIN code. That wraps up our guide on how to find your PUK code. Always remember to keep your PIN and PUK codes safe and secure. In case you get stuck, do not hesitate to contact your service provider for help. We hope this video was helpful. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next one.